everybody, old school Rockford Fosgate here, and we have a box to open. From the looks of the box and the sounds of it so far, yep, failed boat. So this will be interesting. Oh, that's not good. Okay, so I purchased this. This is my my distribution block that I thought would have been packed up a little bit better. I guess not. Got some RCA cables here. These I think are out of like an old Scotia kit. I'm not even too sure. I actually think I have a pair of these, and this kit was probably $10 from Walmart. Here's whoop. End caps aren't even on the amplifier, so that's always nice. We'll move these over here to the side. Move this over here to the side. Whole bunch of really gross crap in this amplifier. Alright, so we'll pull out the power wire, get this out of the way. So I guess we'll start with the small stuff. This wire, I don't know what is all over this wire. I'm hoping it's not mold. I don't know what this is. It is Rockford Fosgate cable. It looks like, if I can find a model number where I can actually read it, RP1024R, and this is the 4 gauge. Fuse holder is Rockford Fosgate as well, but it's pretty, yeah. So gotta love this. Moving on, I'll just throw this stuff on the floor right over there. We'll kind of show this off real quick. This came with the amplifier. It's dirty, has Velcro on the back. Let's see, take this cover off. These are always difficult to get off. We're gonna have to do this later. I don't want to break that on camera. Anyway, so this was included in the price of the amplifier. I actually have this to give you an idea. This is one that's clean. So I took this one, cleaned it up, got all of the brass and everything all nice and shined up. Cleaned the back of it up best that I could. I'll end up taking this Velcro off and probably do the same thing here. So this is a nice clean looking one, and this is a nice dirty one over here. So anyway, so we got this. Throw that off to the side. This is the amplifier that I purchased, and we'll get the end caps in here. So 200X2 has the original screws, which is good. The tabs down here aren't broken. A lot of times these get broke. So that one's good. Take a look. This one's good as well, down here and down here. So this is kind of what it would look like. Going off of here, get the top camera, bottom camera, all that good stuff. So we'll take these off for now. Put them off to the side. Oh, I forgot about these RCA cables. See these RCA cables? Garbage. Put those there. So looks like everything is good on this end. The remote tab is intact. These don't feel loose. Flip this over. Has not been opened. So that seal is still good. This seal is still good. So that's a huge plus. That's nice. All the tabs are here. Not tabs, all the screws are there. We'll go down to this side here. Besides some paint chipping, it doesn't look too bad. So treble is turned almost all the way up. Bass is turned almost all the way up. And let's grab a screwdriver here and take a look. So what are your bets on the gains? Do you think they're turned all the way up, or do you think they're turned to a decent volume? I don't know. Comment down below. Let's find out. So we'll do this one first. Let me line this up here. They look dirty. I would say that one was turned all the way up. Let me get a different screwdriver here that's a little smaller. Nope, that was my small one. So does that mean it's stripped out? Sorry, I'm going to try to look here. And I think this one actually is sitting back a little bit further. Oh, there you can see. I don't know. I think this one's sitting back a little bit further. This one was turned all the way up. So that's not a very good sign. So, and this one, I can't seem to locate it. There it is. So this one I think might be a little messed up. But this is my 6th 200X2. People have been asking me what the heck I'm going to do with all these amps. I have 6 200X2s. I have 6 PSD1s, which is the displays that I'm going to run to each one of these amplifiers through the PSD or punch display port. I'm going to run 6 12-inch 2nd gen power subs, and I'm going to run a 400X4 and all Fanatic Q components inside the doors and everything. And I have the links to connect all of the amplifiers together, but the 400X4 will not be linked because I'm going to have one side is going to be 3 of the 200X2s, then the other side will be 3 of the 200X2s, and then the 400X4 will be in the middle, and then there will be a PSD1 display, PSD1 display, PSD1 display. Hard to say, 3 times fast. Anyway, so we got amplifier. Let me get this link on, or end cap on. We got amplifier and block. Ended up paying, I want to say this was $210, and then shipping was another $20 on top of that, and then tax. So everything came out the door to $240. And I'm not 100% sure that this amplifier works, so we'll need to hook it up and test it out. But I will leave a comment down below and let you know if it works. So if you guys have any questions or anything like that with my install I'm going to be doing, or the amplifier or the distribution block, this is, I don't even know anymore, my 8th distribution block like this. I've got a couple 2-ways and some 4-ways. So I don't know. I'm just going crazy with all this stuff lately. But if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below, and have a good one. Take care.